Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Output data for May from the 8 core infrastructure sectors show broad industrial activity slowed under the onslaught of a heat wave that left homes, offices, and factories countrywide using more power to run their fans and cooling systems. Only coal to fuel the power plants and electricity generation posted double-digit output growth, expanding by 10.2% and 12.8% respectively as per provisional data on the index of 8 core industries released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry on June 28, and production in crude oil, fertilizers, and cement shrank from their year earlier levels, while output expansions decelerated in the remaining three sectors of natural gas, refinery products, and steel. The heat wave's impact on economic activity in May was particularly prominent in India's northern parts as it forced afternoon breaks at construction sites and daily peak power demand at the Northern Regional Load Dispatch Center consistently hovered around or exceeded 75 gigawatts. Demand for cement and steel weakened as construction activity was understandably curbed by the temperatures, with both the key building materials also posting sequential declines in output. The year-on-year contraction in fertilizers for a fifth straight month in May is a cause for concern as it signals persisting weakness in the rural hinterlands mainstay agriculture sector. A smart uptick in Maize index number for the farm input from the revised reading for April, however, offers a glimmer of hope. Official data for the core sector as well as the index of industrial production to which it contributes more than 40% weight, however, suffer from the infirmity of coming with a lag of more than a month. Meanwhile, the private sector survey based HSBC India Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) for June suggests that activity at factories rebounded last month from May's heat wave hit 3-month low. June's PMI reading of 58.3 was 0.8 percentage points higher than May's 57.5 and, according to HSBC India, comfortably above its long-run average. The survey also indicates that manufacturers stepped up output and buying to meet demands and stepped up hiring to the fastest pace seen in more than 19 years of data collection. However, both the job creation and demand were also accompanied by an intensification of increases in staff expenses and material and transportation costs that led to manufacturing companies raising their selling charges by the greatest extent in more than 2 years. The inflationary trend, coupled with survey respondents' overall confidence in future output sliding to a 3-month low, signals the economy steel faces speed bumps. Policymakers have a chance to use the upcoming union budget to make policy tweaks to help strengthen momentum in the key industrial sector stuff.